Welcome to this After Effects tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to do motion tracking, a powerful way to attach text or effects to moving objects. Without further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. First, open After Effects and import your footage. Go to File, Import File, and drag your video into the timeline to create a new composition. Step 2. Open Tracker Panel. Next, make sure the Tracker panel is visible. If you don't see it, go to Window Tracker. Step 3. Select Track Motion. Now, select your footage layer, and in the Tracker panel, click Track Motion. This opens the Layer panel and shows the motion tracking point. Step 4. Set Track Point. Position the tracking point on a high contrast area that stays visible throughout the video. The inner box tells After Effects what to track, and the outer box tells it where to search. Step 5. Analyze Motion. Now hit the Analyze Forward button. After Effects will go frame by frame, tracking the motion. If it loses the track, just stop, reposition the point, and keep going. Create a new null object by going to Layer, New Null Object. Back in the Tracker panel, click Edit Target, choose the null object, and hit Apply. Select both X and Y dimensions when prompted. Attach your text or graphic. Now create your text or graphic layer, and use the Pick Whip or the Parent and Link dropdown to parent it to the null object. Your layer will now follow the motion from your video perfectly. You can take it further by adding opacity fades, scale, or even motion blur to make it look natural and cinematic. And that's it. You've successfully tracked motion and attached an element in After Effects. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more motion graphics tutorials. Thanks for watching.